practically always late. She's always late. So what I'm doing now is I'm walking again because the location that my friend said to come was somewhere else. Actually, even I told her to come somewhere else, so we both got confused which park are we talking about. So I'm on my way to meet her, and it's been, I don't know, maybe we're meeting after decades. So let's see. Park Street is life. This is the place where I grew up because my school was here and is here still, and it's happiness, man. I've spent most of my life here, and most probably I'm trying to spot my friend, but I don't know where is she. So let's see. I catch her. I have finally found the culprit, the person who made me walk till I die, and I am going to catch her right here. I hope that's her and I don't confuse her with somebody else. She is the culprit. She is the culprit who made me walk to Park Street and then back and then I don't know where, and now she's standing right here in front of some other place which I don't know where did it come from. So she's been moving me after so many days. This place is pretty amazing. Actually, it's a new outlet in Park Street. It's called Waffle Valla. Never been this. Never been here. Oh, I can see my school friend going there. Mom. Say hi. This place is pretty amazing. The food is amazing and the decoration as well. Such a homey kind of a place, no? I will not be able to eat that waffle, and I hate her for that.
जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आए, गाना सुन सुन के मैं नी पागल हो गया। जरा तस्वीर से तू